Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 6. Now we will present about grammar. For the first material will be explained by me, Febi Mutradewi. First, let's talk about why grammar is important. Grammar is the central system of language. It connects meaning, sound, and structure. It helps learners communicate accurately both in speaking and writing. According to MCK 1987, there are three main fields in teaching grammar. First, formal explanation, where teachers explain rules directly. Second, pattern practice, using drills and structured exercise. Third, communicative use, where grammar is learned through real communication. The next material will be explained by Amanda Nuraini Soleha. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. Next, let's move to the principle of grammar teaching. According to Noonan, 1991, explained that grammar is a means to an end, not the final goal. Teachers need to balance from meaning and use, as suggested by According Lesson 2000. From how a structure is made, and meaning is what is meant and used when and why it is used. Okay, the first is form. Form refers to how a grammatical structure is formed. It focuses on the correct pattern, word order, and verb form. Teaching form have student process grammatically accurate sentences. For example, she is a teacher and they are students. Second is meaning refers to how the grammatical structure means. For example, she is studying now. This sentence means the action is happening at the moment of speaking. And the last is use. Use refers to when and why a grammatical structure is used in real communication. It focuses on appropriateness in context such as situation, time, and purpose. Example, simple present. I go to school every day, used for daily routines. And the second example is present continuous. I am going to school now, used for action happening now. Okay, that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Next material will be explained by Agustina Herawati. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, baby. Now I will explain about grammar materials and three types. In planning grammar teaching, selecting appropriate materials is a very important step. Teachers cannot teach all grammar at once, so they need to choose grammar items carefully. The selected materials should be useful in daily communication, frequently used, and suitable for the student's level. According to Mikai 1975, grammar materials can be divided into three main types. The first is structures, which refer to sentence patterns such as affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. The second is inflections, which involves changes in word forms. For example, right becomes rod or child becomes children. The third type is structures words, which include function words like articles, prepositions, auxiliaries, and conjunctions. By selecting grammar materials based on three types, teachers can help students learn grammar in a more systematic and meaningful way.
The next material will be explained by Laura Amalia. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Fabi. The next material about sequencing grammar materials.
Okay, grammar must be sequenced step by step from simple to complex. Brown, delay, and bird suggest a difficult list order such as plural, verb in, verb be, article, irregular past, and so on. Sequencing approaches. First is functional order based on communication needs, and the second is grammatical order based on structural complexity.
That's all for me. Back to the moderator.
Okay, the last material will be explained by Maulana. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Pebi. For the next material will be explained by me, technique plus media plus closing. For teacher techniques, teacher can use various grammar topics such as verb be, simple present, pronouns, imperatives, and question words. Techniques differ by level. Low level, simple dialogues or fill in the blanks. Middle level, answer question. High level discussion or giving reasons. Media also play an important role. According to Herbener 1965, useful media include picture, maps, charts, flashcards, for example, using maps to teach direction or pictures to describe actions. Conclusion: grammar teaching should connect rules with real communication. Not a goal but a tool to express meaning. Oke, jadi untuk teknik mengajar, Guru dapat menggunakan berbagai topik seperti verb, be, simple present, kata ganti, imperatif, dan question words. Teknik disesuaikan dengan level siswa.
Okay, that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.